Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing our first in our video series of the project bike builds, and we're going to be working on the Honda CB250. We're going to try and recreate this image from one of my favourite artists, Ryan Roadkill. There's a few things that we're going to have to do before we get started. We need to clear all the bikes out of the garage, get some of the bench tops secured to the wall, and work on that fairing, sand down that mould and make it nice and smooth on the inside. Heaps to do, so we're not going to muck around. Let's get straight into it. First half of the day we managed to get this little table built. That's just going to help us have a little bit more space. That's not going to be an actual workbench. It's definitely not strong enough and probably far too flimsy to actually hold any weight, but it's a great spot to rest some beers. So that's done. Now we're going to spend the afternoon starting to sand the inside of that. Let's get on with it. So this is a piece that we already cast, and you can see, maybe you can't, you should be able to see that there's a lot of imperfections coming off the mold. So we're going to see if we can sort some of those out and save ourselves some work.
See all the birds and all the bees and all the trees. Help me feel everything around me. Help me in vibrations.
Okay, so that's it. The end of the day. The bikes are all back in the garage. We've built our little table. That can either hold some tools or some beers. Don't think it's going to be able to hold anything heavy. We started sanding down the inside of that fairing mould. It's gotten too dark, can't really do anything more, so we're going to call it quits for the day. But we'll work on that next weekend, and hopefully it'll be good and ready for us to start putting some fiberglass in and seeing what pops out. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it, tell your friends about the workshop project, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. See ya!